There is no chance. Yes. APJ Abdul Kalam. No. But I'll give clue. Based on this clue, first who will rise? For them I'll give prize. I'll give clue. But with clue you can definitely say this. Audience maatrame. I'll come here. Audience. Question itself answer is there. Evil. Yes, right answer. Evil. Yes, right answer. Yes, afterwards yes. So just remember this. This Eiffel Tower, while watching any visitor, it appears in 3 floors, and this height of this Eiffel Tower is 330 meters and 1,800 feet. So every 7 years it is painted. The complete Eiffel Tower, it is made up of iron, and designed person Gustave Eiffel. Okay? Yes. 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 Choose it. Show me. Yes. Identify the image. Plant. Yes, it's a part of plant. Yes, right answer. I'll ask questions. Which part is used for reproduction? Which part is used for reproduction? Which part is used for reproduction? Wrong answer? Yes. Next one. Next question. Which part is used for photosynthesis? Leaf. Yes, right answer. So the part it is used for reproduction is flower. Yes. I'll go for the next. Choose any code. It's your luck. Yes. Identify the image. Solar system. Yes. Right answer. Solar system. Name the largest planet. Jupiter. Yes, right answer. Name the planet closest to the sun. Mercury. Yes, right answer. Yes, very good. Yes. Identify the image. Show the image. Yes. Thermometer. Yes, thermometer. Yes, right answer. What is the normal body temperature of human in centigrades and Fahrenheit? What is the normal body temperature of human? At least anyone? At least in centigrades or Fahrenheit? So the answer?
Fahrenheit is 31 ma'am. 71 ma'am.
Wrong answer. I'll give chance for at least one more Fahrenheit also. Audience, think it. Normal body temperature of human.
In Celsius, it's 36 ma'am.
Wrong answer. Yes. Is commonly used in thermometers.
Mercury.
Yes, right answer. Mercury. Yes. Temperature of human. I'll give chance for others. Wait.
99?
No, wrong. 99 is a fever, high, slow temperature.
35?
Wrong answer.
50?
No.
15 to 20?
No, wrong.
37?
Yes, right answer. 37 degrees Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius. Remember this. And the Fahrenheit 98.6 degrees. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. 37 degrees Celsius. Yes. Take one more card. Show me the image. Show me the image. Yes, what is that image? Say the Indian flag. Indian flag. So now I will ask the questions on Indian flag. Yes. What is the shape and ratio of Indian flag? What is the shape and ratio of Indian flag? Shape rectangular. Shape is rectangular is right answer. And ratio of Indian flag? Width and length. length and width. What is the ratio? It's very important to know. 2:3. Wrong answer. So, anybody from audience? Audience, what is the ratio of Indian flag? Length and how much flag, how much size you have to draw. By knowing this ratio, we can draw. We can make. At least guess and. No, wrong answer. 5 into 10. No, wrong. Anybody? So I'll reveal the answer. 3:2. 3:2 ratio. So it is a 3 centimeters and length it is 2 centimeters. It's a 3 meters, it's a 2 meters. Like, yes, understand? Question. Who designed the Indian flag? Who designed the Indian national flag? Say answer. Give chance to them. Who designed Indian flag? No, wrong answer. Anybody? But no marks will get. Right answer. Pingali Venkaya. Pingali Venkaya. Yes. 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 Next. For rectangular chapter. What is that image? Say answer.
What is it?
ఏమంటారు వాళ్ళు? ఆన్ చేసుకోవాలి మమ్మీ.
Number puzzle.
Number puzzle. Yes, right answer. It is a missing number puzzle. It's a gate. So now I'll ask the question. What number should replace the question mark in the center? So I'll give the clue. For this you need one clue. The sums vertically are equal. The sums vertically are equal. The sums are vertically equal. డయాగ్నల్ గా తీసుకోవచ్చు మీరు.
You have to think like.
First one.
5.
Wrong answer.
The answer. 4, 3.
1, 6. Total here
4, 3.
7.
6, 1.
7. So at the center it will come 6. 13. Because not only 13, but మీరు 5 తీసుకుంటే it's wrong. Why means one more question I will ask. In this here, in the first line 1, 2, 3 are there. In the top of the most 4, 5, 6 are there. Yes or no? But now here I will change. 6 after I will change 3. Then what is the center?
Here 3. Based on.
Now you have to take. Yes, anything. What is the common thing? You have to find out. 3. Yes, right answer. 3. 3 is the right answer. Yes. Yes. What is that image?
Olympics logo.
Yes, Olympics friends. Olympics logo. Yes, right answer. What are the colors of the Olympic rings? The 5 rings are there. What are the colors? We have given that black and white picture. You have to find out the color rings of the Olympic.
Red, yellow,
Red, yellow,
blue,
blue,
green,
green.
black.
Yes, black. Right answer. Blue, yellow, black, green and red is the correct answer. Yes. Next question. What do the 5 rings in the symbol represent? What do the 5 rings in the symbol represent? And I will give the option. That 5 rings are 5 continents. That 5 continents united by the sports. A 5 rings ki 5 continents anamata avi. Ee 5 continents, these are united by sports. What are the 5 continents?
Asia,
Asia, Europe,
South America,
yes,
North America,
okay, it's America, okay,
Africa,
Africa,
Australia.
yes, Australia, it is a Oceania. Oceania means Australia and New Zealand is the right answer. Africa, Asia, Europe, America, in America, North and South, and Oceania means Australia and New Zealand. These are all related for Olympics. Yes, right answer, very good answer. Yes. Visual, show the image, identify that.
Digestive system.
Human digestive system? Yes. I will ask the questions. Which organ stores bile produced by the liver? Bile juice. Bile juice, it is produced by the liver. That bile juice, it is stored in one of the part of digestive system. What is that part? Which organ stores bile produced by the liver?
Small intestine.
Wrong answer. So anybody can you guess the answer? Yes. No, wrong answer.
Liver.
Liver only produced. After liver, it will go to another part. It's a small part, but it's not use of that, but it is very essential. Small intestine. Its answer? Yes, come.
Pancreas.
No. Yes.
Appendix.
No. Wrong answer. The right answer is gallbladder. Gallbladder. Yes, sir. Next, juice produced by the stomach. Name the digestive juice produced by the stomach. In stomach, one juice it is produced. It's not like lemon juice. It's a juice. It helps for digestion. What is that juice? Digestive juice produced by the stomach. Yes. Say the answer.
Hydrochloric chloride acid.
No. It's hydrochloric acid is an acid, but it's not juice. It's mixed with this juice and digest the food. And stomach layers produce it because in the stomach layer some glands are present. These glands produces this digestive juice. Say the answer.
Madam.
Citric acid. No. Come. So answer is gastric juice. Gastric juice. So on the stomach layers, gastric glands are present that are produces gastric juice. Yes? Okay. This round has completed. After completing the visual round, we'll know the scores. So experts team got 47.5 marks after second round completing, and champions team got 45 marks, and masters team got 65 marks with leading marks, and warrior group leads with, got the 55 marks. They are in second position. Yes. All the best for the starting నుంచి వచ్చేస్తాను. They will select.
Stand up.
Yes, mass round. Yes, Mama. Seconds. First round. You have to be quick and say the answers.
Stop talking.
How many months have 31 days? Go for next. What is the square of 9?
18.
Wrong answer. What is the 10% of 300? 10% of 300.
5, 4, 2,
Next question. If a rectangle is 5 centimeters wide and 7 centimeters long, what is its area? If a rectangle is 4 centimeters wide and 7 centimeters long, what is its area? First. Yes.
28.
It's a centimeter or centimeter square?
20 centimeter square.
Yes, right answer. How many minutes are there in 3 and a half hour? 3 and a half hour. How many minutes are there in 3 and a half hour? First.
80 seconds. 5,
210.
Yes, 210 minutes. What is the value of 7 square plus 2 square? 7 square plus 2 square. What is the value of 7 square plus 2 square?
time up.
This question we asked, no, will give chance. 7 square plus 2 square.
53 more.
Yes, right answer, 53. Yes. Marks, Anna? Yes. We'll go for this now. For this number? Centimeters and 53. Yes. 96. Inka time. Yes. Show the chip. Yes, science wrong. Yes, how to quick answers need. Yes. What is the chemical formula of NaCl? NaCl. Sodium chloride. Is right answer. Which force pulls objects towards the earth? Gravitational force. Yes, right answer. What do you call animals that eat only plants? Herbivores. Yes, right answer. What are the small pores on leaves called? Stomata. Right answer. Which acid is found in lemon? Citric acid. Right answer. Which layer of the earth do we live on? Crust. Right answer. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Right answer. How many bones are there in the adult human body? 206. Right answer. Which vitamin do we get from sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the right answer? What is the largest organ in the human body? Largest organ in the human body? Intestine. Wrong answer. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Earth. Right answer. Which instrument is used to look at the stars and planets? Telescope. Right answer. It's time up. Yes, right answer. I asked 12 questions. In this, only one it is wrong, I think so. One only wrong. So, the largest organ in the human body is skin. Skin. Yes. 11 ఇచ్చేద్దాం లమ్మ. Social and GK. Start the round. Let's start.
This one.
Who is called the father of Indian Constitution?
Gandhiji.
Wrong answer. In which year did India become a republic?
1947.
Wrong answer. Which country is known as the land of rising sun?
Japan.
Yes, right answer. Which organization prints Indian currency notes? Which organization prints Indian currency notes? Yes? What is the minimum age to vote in India? Minimum age to vote in India. Vote.
18.
Yes, right answer. Which is the highest court in India?
Supreme Court.
Yes, right answer. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan.
Yes, right answer. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Iron Man of India. Which is the Parliament of India located? Where is the Parliament of India located?
Delhi.
Right answer. Which state is famous for the dance from Bharatanatyam?
Tamil Nadu.
Right answer. Which leader gave the slogan "Give me blood, I will give you freedom"?
Gandhiji.
Wrong answer. Which is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Yes. Father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 1950 we did India become a republic. 1950. And which organization prints Indian currency notes? RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Remember this? Reserve Bank of India. And minimum is yes. The leader gave the slogan, "Give me blood, I'll give you freedom." Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Give me blood, I'll give you freedom. And Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes. Yes. Next to last. నేను సూపర్ పవర్ రౌండ్ కి 40 మార్క్స్ చేస్తాను. క్వశ్చన్ కి అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ చేస్తాను. English. Yes. Are you listening the questions? You have to listen nearly more than 100 questions I am asking now. You have to listen and remember. Yes.
Your time start.
Yes, time starts now. Let's start this English rapid round. Yes. Which is the opposite of ancient? Ancient. Yes. What is the new? New. Wrong answer. What is the plural form of mouse? Mice. Mice. Right answer. Spell the word definitely. DEFINATELY.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer.
What?
What we call
Poet. Right answer. Complete the phrase. An apple a day dash keeps the doctor away. Sorry. How many letters are in the word aeroplane? How many letters are there in the word aeroplane? 9. 9 is the right answer. What is the noun form of decide? Noun form of decide. Pass. Is honest. What parts of speech? Is the word honest is what is the parts of speech? Wrong answer. What tense is the sentence? They have been waiting for an hour. They have been waiting for an hour. It's possible. Yes. What is the opposite of strong? Weak. Spell the word. Spell it. WEAK. Yes. Yes. Time up. FINITELY. Definitely. But English sound is difficult. But నేను చిన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగాను. I asked small questions. They have been waiting for an hour. It is a present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. And I'll give one more question for you because it's late and because of me. She reads a book. She reads books every day. Change to future tense. She reads books every day. Change to future tense. She will read books every day. The right answer. She will read books every day. Yes, ma'am. Experts got 72.5 marks. Champions got 85 marks. Masters group got 120 marks. Warriors group got 70 marks. Yes. The last round, it is a super power round. ఎవరైనా 45 ఇద్దాం. స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. Yes. Only one question. I'll start from here. Yes, Pranay group. Only one question. Who discovered gravity when an apple fell on his head? Who discovered gravity when an apple fell on his head? Newton. Yes, right answer. Newton. Who is known as the father of mathematics? Who is known? Ramanujan. Wrong answer. Yes. If you face north and turn right, which direction are you facing now? If you face north and turn right, which direction are you facing now? Stand and you can see also, no problem. If you face north and turn right, which direction are you facing now? Wrong answer? Yes, I'll go for the warriors. Name the continent that is both
A country and a continent.
a country and a continent. Name the continent that is both a country and a continent. Yes, first. Australia. Yes, right answer, Australia. Yes, now I'll give the scores. Experts 117.5.
And champions.
Champions 85 marks. Masters 120 marks. Warriors 150 marks. The first place, their masters is.
Big round of applause.
Anyway, tried well. Congratulations. All the best. And second place? Second place, Warriors.
17.
Congratulations.
There's 2 marks.
Yes. You did well, Nana. Yes.
Just 2.
I thought everyone are excited to learn this quiz. Yes or no?
Audience, 2 questions.
What is the largest 3-digit number? Largest 3-digit number? Yes.
I'll give chance for girls.
999.
Yes.
Right answer 999. And what is the remainder when 29 is divided by 5? What is the remainder when 29 is divided by 5? First.
1 ma'am.
No, wrong answer. 29 is divided by 5. What is the remainder? 4. Right answer. Yes. A man buys 5 pens for 60 rupees. What is the cost of 1 pen? No, I'll give chance for others. Yes, come. A man buys 5 pens for 60 rupees. What is the cost of 1 pen? Yes.
20 rupees.
Wrong answer. Right answer 12 rupees. Yes, all the best. Yes. And all the best, Nana. This masters, note the name, and participants also I'll give prizes. Okay? Don't feel shame. అందరూ బాగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు. So you know what is the quiz, how to participate. Not here, nationwide or statewide, wherever you'll go, how to participate, you know. Did you know now? Yes? Yes. And this audience, you have learned more than 100 questions. You have to remember that. Okay? Yes.